So you get your license and you don't really know where to get your first deal, correct? I hear what you're saying. I was in the same situation where you are today. And I got my license not too long ago. And I see a lot of people struggle too. But the fact of the matter is, real estate is a long-term game. But I'll give you some tips today that will be able to help you to get your first deal. If this is your first time visiting my page, my name is Tahir and I'm with Kelly Williams, but I help people in metro area in Minnesota along with Rochester and St. Cloud. So let me share with you the tips that I promise that I'll give it to you today. So let's do it. So the first tip is you have to acknowledge that getting a deal in real estate is you have to work hard for that. And what do I mean by that? So I guarantee you, you're not going to get your first deal from your mother or from your family members and all those. If you're lucky, some of them because of you failing into the game, and people will not trust you. But in order to establish that trust, you have to blast your name everywhere. So you have to tell literally everybody in the hopes that you may get a deal. For me, my first deal come from a family members. I was lucky, but from what I've seen, a lot of family members who want to buy a house, they refuse to trust me and just use someone else for their first, to purchase their house. And it was kind of painful to watch your family members, use someone else, even though you're a real estate agent. But the other thing that I utilize is rate list. I just run an ad for $5, and if someone reach out to me, then I help them out. And also utilize, the other thing that I utilize is social media. A lot of people just overlook this. Social media is massive. I make TikTok videos and I at least get 1 or 2 calls a day. Those people may not really actually buy a house right at this moment, but they will buy a house in the next 3, 4, 5, 6 months. So my pipeline is getting full because of the content that I'm creating online. I make also YouTube videos, but I don't get anything from YouTube, to be fair, because the short form content is what it's actually a lot of people are just consuming insanely. And I don't really know what's going on, especially TikTok and shorts and Instagram reels. People are consuming those content like crazy. Just share your knowledge, just give some tips and tricks and how you can help them, how they can get some sort of down payment and all that stuff. And I guarantee you, you will get a client from there. The other thing is there's some other programs that I utilize. Now I'm trying to transition into listing. I'm no longer just wasting my time just chasing buyers. So I use Mojo Dialer. If you have never utilized that one, try it because it's really the cheapest one. There's a lot of them everywhere. There's the Vulcan 7 and this Red X and all this and all that. Don't confuse your brain. Just start with somewhere. So I'm just basically all I'm trying to do is just craft my skills and just learn all these things, how I can deliver things so people can digest easily. And you have to learn a lot of things about making listing presentation, buyer presentation, and all those things. But those things doesn't come naturally. Even sitting in front of the camera doesn't come naturally. You have to force yourself. You have to try things. So try those tips. And what I mentioned right now is like, try to see if your family members can help you. The first one. The second one is just use Craigslist for $5 a day. You may definitely get some good stuff from there. Also utilize the internet. Make TikTok videos, reels, and share everywhere. If you utilize a Snapchat for the young generation, they love it. So hopefully those tips were helpful, and if you kind of enjoy this I'll be making more videos in the near future. That's all I have for you guys, but if you enjoy this content, please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you later. Bye.